Ma'am Rowena. Ma'am Rowena, go ahead na. Let's time, come on.
Hello. I'm not a public speaker. I'll try my best. Good evening, everyone. Thank you for being here tonight to celebrate my 50th birthday. To my family, relatives, and dear friends, thank you for taking the time to join me on this special occasion. Well, to be honest, I was not very keen to celebrate this milestone. But as I look around tonight and see all the people I love gathered here, I realize how truly blessed I am. Having my mother, I tend to be emotional. Well, my brothers and family who traveled from the U.S., my husband and son, and my daughter-in-law, my loving aunties, and my dear friends and family here in the Philippines. You make this celebration very meaningful. Most importantly, I thank God for the gift of life and for allowing me to reach this golden year. 50 years is not just a number, you know. It is a testimony of God's faithfulness, grace, and love throughout my life. When I was younger, well, I often ask God, sorry, why do I have to struggle so much? Sorry. Yak sa makasao. Well, there were moments when I felt alone, especially during my years in Saudi. I was far from my family, and there were times when I cried by myself, carrying the weight of homesickness, responsibilities, and uncertainty. I earned only about 10,000 pesos during that time. And most of it I sent to my family and to help my brother's education. Those were the difficult years. Yeah. I still remember something my Uncle Menrad used to tell me when I came to Germany, Auntie. And you translated it for me. He said, "You are like a boat drifting in the ocean." Do you remember that? At that time, it felt true. But today, looking back, I realized I was never drifting. God was guiding me all along. Through every hardship, He was teaching me strength, perseverance, faith, and resilience. One Bible verse became my anchor during those difficult times. It says, "I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me." That's Philippians chapter 4, verse 13. Whenever I felt weak or discouraged, I held on to that promise. Step by step and challenge by challenge, God carried me through. Looking back now, I understand that our struggles help shape who we become. The blessings we enjoy today are sweeter because we know the sacrifices it took to get here. As I celebrate my 50th birthday, my heart is filled with gratitude, not only for the good times, but also for the difficult moments that taught me valuable lessons and brought me closer to God. To my family, thank you for your love and support. To my friends, thank you for your friendship and for being part of my journey. And to God, all the glory belongs to you. Without your guidance, and blessings, I would not be standing here today. As I begin this new chapter, I pray for continued good health, wisdom, and strength. I pray that I may continue to be a blessing to others, just as so many of you have been a blessing to me. Before I end, I want to say this. When I look around this room tonight, I realize that my greatest blessing is not what I have achieved, but the people God that has placed in my life. Thank you for being part of my story and for making this celebration so special. May God bless each and every one of you. Cheers to life, to friendship, and to God's faithfulness. Thank you, and please enjoy the evening.
Alright, once again, maraming salamat mga kumailan. Happy birthday!
Thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much for expressing your gratitude to everyone here tonight. And now, ladies and gentlemen, tumako na po tayo sa kainan. But before tayo tumako sa kainan,
Naiyak na.
yes,